Hello and welcome everyone to Little Crafter Show. My name is Eileen, aka Eileen the Little Crafter. Alright guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you a haul from Savannah Baby Girl. I absolutely love this shop. This is one of my favorite shops. Just I cannot say enough good things about the shop. So I got one of her older kits. This is her day off kit. Love it. So you get your full box. You get your checklist and icons. You get your washi and headers. You get your bottom washi and day covers. Next up, we have the new kit, Autumn Pumpkin. This is the monthly. So you get, this one I got from my Recollections monthly. This looks like washi strips, and this is also what else you get. I think I may have mixed it up a little. Yeah, so you get a bunch of different stuff with this kit. So and you get also the, oh wait, hold on, let me see. You get day covers, and you get days of the week, days off. So this is a really beautiful kit. I think I forgot to order the full kit. That's my mistake because I am very forgetful. And this is the celestial, nope, sorry, this is the moon child. So this is what is this? Full boxes. This is her new format, checklist and icons. You get washi and headers. You get your day covers and bottom washi. You also get, oh, that's right, my apologies, this is for the kit. Yeah, so and that is that. All right guys, thank you for watching. Oh, this is for the, my apology. All right, so you get a monthly kit, you get separately. All right guys, thank you for watching. I hope that you have a good day, and bye for now.